Hey everybody, here at a warm 4 degrees showing. I'm just welcome to Valley Center here at this 5-bed, 3-bathroom home. It is located in Valley Center, Kansas, and we are going to take a tour. Let's go. This Valley Center home is listed at $275,000. There is 3 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down to make it 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, full 2-car garage. As we walk through the living room, we see that it's an open floor plan. We have high 12-foot vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace. As we turn into the dining room, we see the natural lighting coming from the windows from the south, and the rear of the home faces to the west. As we take a peek into the backyard here, we have a nice little cement patio with a fully fenced backyard, and there's no houses built directly behind. We do see that in this home it does come with the appliances. Always make sure when you are touring homes that you check with your realtor to see which appliances do stay with the house. Valley Center is a great location for families. Within about 3 minutes of this home, there is a splash pad. There's a full city pool, complete with slides, diving boards, high dive, low dive. There's also a full park next to the splash pad that includes a disc golf course, softball fields, and soccer fields. Next to that park is also a fishing pond that is stocked year-round. Valley Center School District is USD 262. It has 3 elementary schools, 1 intermediate school, 1 middle school, and 1 high school. Valley Center has great access to Wichita. You can go south 7 or 8 minutes down Meridian, or you can access 135, the main highway that runs north and south through Wichita, Kansas. With that, I'll go ahead and leave you to finish up the home tour here. Enjoy. I'll head on downstairs here to explore the basement. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video to support, and share it to anyone you know who might be moving to this area. Thanks again.